Hi, this is Dr. Pate. This is our lecture on design of products and services for the Operations Management course. More than 10 years ago, Nokia, designers of some of the most robust and well-known wireless phones of the last 2 decades, introduced what should have been a tremendous hit, a mobile phone that was also a gaming platform. The result was one of the most epic disasters in the history of design. It was called the N-Gage. I don't know if anybody in this course remembers it. It was ugly. Many users said it looked like a taco. The phone buttons were poorly suited to gaming, and it suffered other design issues. For example, to change games, you actually had to remove the phone's battery. Nokia subsequently redesigned the N-Gage, but the damage was done. The phone was discontinued in 2005, a commercial failure that is frequently cited as one of product design's most glaring examples of what not to do. Throughout most of history, design was a process applied to physical objects, from buildings and vehicles to phones and computers. Today, design encompasses not just physical objects, but also intangibles, such as services and the user experience. Design is one of the 10 strategic decision areas in operations management. Decisions made in selection, definition, and the design of goods and services can, do, and will have a significant impact on the competitive position of a business entity. For convenience, we will use the term product throughout this lecture to refer to both goods and services. In the context of operations management, product design should support the competitive priorities of the company. These priorities may be focused on differentiation, cost leadership, or response. Differentiation focuses on setting the company's product or service apart from competitors based on factors other than cost, such as quality. Cost leadership means striving to achieve the lowest operational cost possible in order to obtain your position for the company and to get a competitive advantage. Response means operating a business entity in a way that leaves it flexible to respond quickly to changes in customer demand. For example, Taco Bell has developed and executed a low-cost strategy through product design, offering very low-cost food. The restaurant's menu changes from time to time, but overall it offers much of the same food now as it did several years ago. By contrast, automobile manufacturer Toyota prides itself on rapid response to changing customer demand by executing the fastest automobile design in history. Product design decisions should result in providing the right features to customers, free from deficiencies. The right features are what customers want or for which customers are willing to pay. These features are what customers want and are willing to pay and are planned without defects. Whether you're selling a Rolls-Royce or a Kia, whether you are a Ritz-Carlton or Motel 6, the definition holds the key to your company's success. In a 2015 Harvard Business Review interview, CEO of PepsiCo explained that a well-designed product is one you fall in love with. We had to rethink the entire experience, she explained, from conception to what's on the shelf to the post-product experience. She went on to add, in the past, user experience wasn't part of our deal. Focusing on crunch, taste, and everything else now pushes us to rethink shape, packaging, form, and function. We're forcing the design thinking way back in the supply chain. In order to provide the right features, the ones with which customers will fall in love. A business must know what customers want. Previously, you learned about Six Sigma and the design methodology. One of the first steps is to understand the voice of the customer. You must also determine the true needs and expectations of your target customers, then translate those needs into the design.